Hello everyone, so in this video we're gonna really quickly go through how to install BlueJeans software for Mac. So just go to bluejeans.com/downloads, and here you should have the stock versions for this software for Mac, Windows and Linux. So just click download here. And the tool should start downloading. Here in the bottom left, you should see it, which I pressed 2 times. So it's a standard DMG file for Mac, so just click on it. Then you will see something like that. Then this file will start opening, so just wait. And then you will see something like that, BlueJeans installer. So it says double click to launch it. And it should launch here in your bottom part, or whenever your this part is. You can see this pop-up. Is this application from internet? Are you sure you want to open it? And then just click open. And then installer should close and BlueJeans should open. So there you have it. And then you can just proceed with BlueJeans settings and all that stuff. So hope that helps. Thanks for watching.